This is actually amazing. I am out of touch with coding for more than 10 years. So if I had to build this application on my own, it would have taken me at least a week. I would have had to read up on JavaScript, TypeScript, Node, Express, React, etc. But using ChatGPT, I could create this application in 5 minutes. Let's see what ChatGPT has done. So I wanted to create an application to track the fasting. I could not find any on App Store, so I thought we'll use the ChatGPT capabilities and build an application instead. So I gave it a prompt to use Node and React to create an application to track the fasting progress. And what I have given minimum details is that once I enter the details, name, age, date, and time of starting of fasting, it should show the details regarding changes in body in terms of glycogen, insulin, fat burning, ketosis, etc., like physiological changes. And what I'm saying is the fasting start time and user details that I enter, it should persist. That means either in database or somewhere. I would have done it in a file because I just want a quick solution. So let us see what it generates, and whenever I run the application, I should be able to see the progress details. So what I'm saying is once the application is built, please provide the instructions to run or configure it. I'm using VS Code on MacBook and I have Node, Python, Java and other tech stacks installed just to see if these extra prompts nudge it in any other direction. Okay, I have mentioned Node anyway. So what happened is after this it created an application and I have downloaded the zip file and the zip file is placed here. The zip file I have expanded in this folder fasting tracker. I have client and server both. On the server side, along with it, it has given me the instruction to run the application. It says that start the server terminal 1 in VS Code and then start the client. So that's what I have done. So I went to the server, I did npm install as you can see here, and then after that I fired npm run start and it started the server on this port. Now after that I went to the client, I opened another terminal, I navigated to the client folder and then I did npm install, and then when I did the npm run dev as instructed, I got an error. So what I did is I went back to ChatGPT and I told that when I run the client, I'm getting this error and I pasted the error code. So it immediately told me that it's because of not including a white.js React plugin in client dev dependencies, and it provided the fix, which was just to install the white.js plugin React, which I did, and after that, when I ran, it ran successfully. There was no issues. So I installed the React plugin here, and then I did npm run dev, and my client is launched here. If I go here, now you see it is a blank screen and there is no user mentioned here. So I am just entering name, age, and then my fasting start time, which was yesterday 10 p.m. So 10 p.m. and I save this. So now it is giving me details data tracking that it has been 14.57 hours and growth hormone, etc. GHN is rise, lipolysis begins to ramp, and glycogen stores remaining still 39%. Insulin driven level relative to glycogen is 39%, and fat burning is 23% ongoing. Ketosis has not started. Autophagy, likelihood of autophagy is 0% at this moment, and it has given me what to expect over time during the fasting. So this is cool, and I think it stores only one user. So what I did is I asked ChatGPT if it is single user application at the moment. So those work. Can I add multiple users? So it said right now it's a single user. The backend saves just one record in server data. If you enter another person's detail, it overwrites the previous user. Okay, so it is single user. So and but after saying that, it automatically provided a multi-user upgrade. Okay, and it is given the code etc. here that I need to replace in the provided project earlier to make it a multi-user application. Then I have said that can you add also add some sliders or drop down for time field and provide complete project. Don't forget to add the missing dependency this time. So I have downloaded the completed project, which should give me, because if you see here, the fasting tracker, there is no slider for the time field. There is no drop down as well. What has changed? Multi-user profiles, create, switch, delete profiles, time selectors, date picker plus drop down, progress per selected user, deliverable based on the profile you pick, fixed dev dependency. Okay, cool. So what I will do is let me stop the current these things. Okay, so I have stopped the client. I'm stopping the server. So now I will take this one. I will go to my dev folder, JavaScript. I will so multi. Anyway, I need not have closed this because it's a separate a new folder, of course. And within this, I will open the server application. So it is open now. So let me open the terminal. Let me see where we are. We are inside server. So I will fire npm install to download the packages in this directory. Npm install. Tuk, 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 tuk. Okay. Npm install done. Then npm run start. Let me run this node server. It's using Express framework. So this is done now. Server is running. So localhost 4000 server is running here. You can verify. Now let me open another terminal and let me navigate to client ct.sas client and then npm install. Let me see if it has fixed the missing dependency. It should have. Anyway, npm install is done. So npm run dev. Okay, perfect. So the dependency also it has fixed. If I go here, I can enter my details. So I'll pick a yesterday's date and time. It has put a drop down now. So 10 p.m. Now it is AM or PM. I don't know. Oh, it's 24 hours it says, right? So my bad. So it should be 22 p.m. Right. So save and I get this progression similar data and okay, perfect. So now if I let's say open the client again, okay, I refresh the client. Okay, it said that it is persisting data. I can select whatever client I want. Let me put Acha, there is a drop down here. Okay, so now I will say let's say dummy 40 and let us see like let's say he is fasting from 1 day before. So save. So now dummy glycogen store 0, insulin 0, fat burning lipolysis 100%, ketosis 71%, autophagy. Okay, that's like regeneration of the cells. It is like amazing 61%. So that means I should target for this one. Which I will reach tomorrow at this time, tomorrow afternoon. So ketosis initiation, ketone production increases, insulin low, autophagy may begin. So this is cool. Now I can select my profile again and it is showing my data with this hours, right? So this is perfect, I think, and it has we have built a simple application, useful application for me because I wanted a tracker. I just wanted to see the progression. I will add more details here as I will research more and I will add. This was just an example how I can create one application for my need immediately. With generative AI, it is possible to build any kind of application that you want. The how is taken care of. How will you build this component, this UI, that UI, etc. is taken care of. Now the question is, what do you want to build? The limit is your imagination and creativity. This has changed the whole game in the IT world. This was just a quick preview. I just wanted to share what I could do in 5 minutes and it solved a purpose. We will go in depth into what is possible using ChatGPT. Whether you are a techie or you are a non-techie, it doesn't matter. We all can benefit immensely from utilizing the power of generative AI. So watch out for next videos.